What is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I know I am. Listen, guys, I haven't gone live in a while, and honestly, I miss going live because I feel like so much has happened within these last couple days, within these last couple weeks, that it just doesn't feel right to not be going live. We hit 15,000 subscribers. Yeah, you heard me right, guys. We hit 15,000 subscribers recently, and I just want to say I couldn't be more grateful. First of all, for God for giving me this opportunity, and for you guys for supporting and being there every step of the way. Now, listen, guys, we have a bunch of banging plays that have recently come out that have landed a lot of people, some 10x's, some 20x's, some 50x's, and some even 1000x return. So we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of crypto. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. I'm doing a $1,500 giveaway. Make sure you guys go ahead, check that out. It's over on my X if you haven't seen it already. Listen, guys, it's going to be huge. It's going to be massive. It's going to be insane. Let's get into today's video. Well, not today's video, today's live stream, right, is what I'm trying to say here. So we have a couple people on here already. Now, the first thing that I want to start with is none other than Broak on Base. Now, I know I struggled to actually say this. The first couple times, it's not Broak, it's Broak, okay? I had to clarify it, but now we understand. Giovanni Fonta says, yo, what's going on, Giovanni? Good to see you, brother. Adrian says, let's go. Joe Gut says, broke ain't no joke. Listen, don't go broke, instead buy broke. Jeremy Willis says, what's up, bro? Good to see you on live. Good to see you. Thank you for tuning in. Scotty Koo says, turbo indeed. Turbo is flying. Turbo's taking off. Well, it will take off. Okay, sorry, it wasn't Turbo that's pumping. It's a lot of these other projects, guys. A lot of these cheeky plays like this over on here. Broak on Base. Broak Dev is docs. Literally, shout out to Brian. Solid guy. You guys can find him over on X. You guys can find him over on Telegram as well. He's very active. Great dev. And I think this project is going to do significantly well. Now, guys, you may have not known this, but it also recently just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Here's the crazy part. It just hit a penny. So for you guys to hold some Broak, you need at least a penny. Do you understand how crazy that is? That one Broak is literally 1 penny at this point. Now, this thing has been flying, guys. I know a lot of people over on our Discord has been eating off of this project. Let's go over to their website over here and take a look. The #1 frog meme on Base. Fighting ruggers and cheaters to make sure you don't go broke. I think the website is clean. The website is everything that it needs to be for this project. It's clean, it's subtle, has the little, the little frog that looks a little depressed on the edge of, might jump off a cliff and land in the water, so he's going to be okay. He's not going to kill himself. But he has a little, the little base logo over on his tummy here. Super cool. Don't go broke. Don't go broke, get broke. Armed with memes, community power, and zero tolerance for scam, Broak is here to flip the script on getting rugged and create a fun, sustainable meme coin community. Now, guys, the supply, 690 million. These guys are actually putting in burns as well into their project, which I think is huge. Joe Gut says Broak is a clean community. Absolutely. Randy says stoked for Broak. I love it. I love the Broak community that's in here. Crypto Junkie Princess says, yay, caught you live today. Honestly, I haven't gone live in a bit. I appreciate you for tuning in today. How have you been? Liquidity pool, guys, 85%. Treasury, 7%. Airdrops allocation, 5%. And I remember in the beginning, a lot of people were skeptical about kind of the token distribution, the bubble maps, but hey, we've seen the way it's been going, and there is no doubt in my mind, guys, that this project is only going to continue to do better. Now, if we go over to the DEX tools chart here, keep in mind, guys, the market cap for this is only going to be based on the Uniswap pairing that we have over here. Somebody said, I put $22 in Turbo. I am broke AF. Listen, dude, I'm going to be honest with you. If you put 22 bucks into a $100 million market cap play and you're expecting to get rich, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, market cap at 6.14. Now, here's the crazy part, guys. We were actually accumulating Broak at this price point. Let me show y'all. Our first buy-in to Broak was 284,000. And I mean, you guys can see where we're at right now, up 2,000%. A lot of the people in our Discord are eating off of this, guys. It is massive. You think Jerry hitting $1 billion market cap? Hey, I mean, at this rate, anything is possible for Jerry, man. Like, I didn't think it was going to run up as hard as it did. And then obviously it proved us all wrong and it just absolutely destroyed the charts. Tamar says, should buy in a dip for JYAY. That is a decent idea. I always like to say, never chase green candles, wait for the pullbacks and load up there. But yeah, guys, Broak is going to go down as well as one of our best plays that we have called. Also, not to mention, guys, we have called a bunch of other plays on here. We called Baby Toshi, which has done like another 20x, which is crazy. Jerry and Broke got broke after seeing one of your videos at around $1 million market cap. That is awesome. You are up a nice cheeky 6x over on that. Now, guys, I did want to say, right, your boy, for hitting 15,000 subscribers, we are doing a huge giveaway. Okay, listen, yeah, here's all the information for it. $1,500 Broak And Jyai giveaway. To celebrate hitting 15,000 subscribers, I partnered with two of my favorite projects. I want to thank you all for your support. $500 in Broak, $500 in JYAI, and then another $500, which the team has generously, they decided they're going to match it, and they are putting $500 of their own. So guys, listen, $1,500 is up for grabs. Rules are simple. Follow me on X, follow Jerry and Broke, and subscribe on YouTube. And you must obviously like and repost. Now here's the thing, guys. The amount of people that are following me over on X is kind of dinky, guys. It's only 2,877. Let's get that up. We have 15K on YouTube. Let's try to get this rallying up a little bit. And then obviously, you know, the other part of the giveaway, the other token that we are giving away, fellas, is none other than JYAI. This as well is on a very good decline right now. Dipped from around 20 million to 10.9, more or less $11 million. Is Baby Toshi going to go to $1 million market cap? It could. It's fairly close to it, if I'm not mistaken. Marcos Godlinez says broke to 100 million in the next 2 weeks. Let's go, dude. That would be absolutely ridiculous. Mohammed Badar says, hey, bro, let's go, Jerry. Shout out to Jerry. Oh, I just realized that I'm on the Coin Market Cap page here. This is sick. JYI hits 20 million market cap. This meme coin is pumping hard. Buy right now. Yo, this is me. Yo, this is so cool. I didn't even realize that I'm on here. How do I make an account and go like, hey man, that's me. It has 4,100 views on it. That's pretty cool. Shout out to that. That's super cool. Broke did awesome run up on Bitmart. I'm excited for what Jerry will do once trading is enabled. I absolutely agree. I put 5K in a month ago, brother. Great call. I'm up 120K. Bro, that's insane. What are you up 120K on? That is ridiculous. Wow, need to take a screenshot of that. Hold on here. That's insane, bro. Congratulations. That's actually massive. Let me save that over to my desktop. Wow, shout out to Thor Bacha, who said, I put in 5K a month ago. I'm assuming into Jerry, and you are up 120K. That is massive, brother. Wow, absolutely love hearing that. I feel one of the most satisfying parts about being a YouTuber or just being like a content creator in general is hearing other people's success stories. Now, I really don't mean to like, you know, get into this already, guys, but a lot of people have been eating off of our Discord, guys. I mean, like our buy and sell alerts, you get notified right away whenever we make a move in the crypto market. One of our members, one of our students on there just last month or within these last 30 days went on to make 20,000 USD, guys. This is no joke. He did say that that's the yearly salary and where he lives, and to make that in a month is ridiculous. So I just want to say, guys, there's some merit to this Discord. If you guys want to join, there's a link for it down in the description. Broke did awesome. Fam, this got lost 110K on the airdrop links. What do you mean? Fam, this got lost $110,000 on the airdrop. I don't know what you're talking about. When will Bitmart live for JYAI? Loading up 20K USD. Dang, dude, you're about to go all in on that. Thor Bacha says broke. Yep, broke is solid, dude. Let's go, Roshan. I'm at work right now, but if this is how it works, I want to qualify for the giveaway. Absolutely. Well, you don't qualify from here, dude. You have to go over to the Probe My X account and then just, you know, going from there. But I appreciate you tuning in from work. Please don't go broke trying to watch the live stream, man. I always recommend you guys, you know, people always should I quit my job? Should I quit my job? If you're able to continue and pursue your career while also having your side hustle going on, I would 110% tell you guys to do both at the same time. We have 40 viewers on here right now, which again, pretty solid, not too shabby, not too shabby. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this live stream, and hit the bell, guys, so every time I go live, you always get notified. One of JYAI members got scammed and drained $110,000 from his wallet. Yo, that That is terrible, man. Wow. Dude, that's the worst part about crypto. Like, you don't only have to make gains, but then you have to protect your gains from a bunch of like people who try to scam you. And I'm really sorry that happened, man. That's terrible. I feel for you there. Because I had a wallet of like 32,000 that was drained once, and it is not fun. I'll tell you that much. Jerry on a 30% discount right now after that airdrop link scam. One of the holders connected his wallet to an airdrop link, and it was a scam link. They drained $110,000 of his Jerry. That was what caused the dip last night. Oh wow, that's terrible. That's actually terrible. That's why we got that huge dip. I see. Okay, so it's not just a sell-off. It seems like there was a mass, a scam almost. Okay, let's actually go through. I want to see if they sold that much. Huh? The biggest sell that I see here right now, 7,200. Got a 3K sell order in there. Let's actually see if we're able to find that. When did this dip happen? It was from 27. So let's go over to 27th. I want to see if we have some big boy dumps that came in, and let's see how much people made here. Or did his wallet just completely get rinsed and like sent somewhere else? That's why we got that's sad AF. I missed out on Jerry, not gonna lie. I wish I bought some. I bought same time as Broke. It happens to me as well. A while ago, 16K I lost, and people panicking and start selling. Yep. It usually causes a chain reaction. I mean, honestly, guys, I feel like, you know, if you stay in crypto long enough, you are going to experience having one of your wallets rinsed. I mean, hey, if it doesn't happen to you, amazing, because it shouldn't. Be smarter than, you know, what it's easy to say, oh, that will never happen to me, until it does, right? It'll never happen to you, obviously, until it does happen. Some 7,000 sells here, some 7K sells here, a 6K one, an 8K one. You got another 8K one over on here. It was at 41K and then 20K, and other transactions was a 40K, a 90K, and a 40K. They sold it in 3 transactions. Damn. I saw a 41,000 sale last night, but that's the highest I personally saw. And saw on X someone sold for 6. I actually want to see this with my own eyes. That's crazy. Someone did a 40 and a $60,000 sell last night. That's insane. These are all May 28th. These are all today. Wow, this thing is a lot of transactions over on here, isn't there? Today the 28th or 29th? Today's the 29th, right? Wow, we have a lot of transactions. Yeah, I feel like I'm not gonna find that, let's be honest. Unless I do total. Here we go. We have $40,000 sell over on here. That is pretty massive. Interesting. Was 27th around 1150? Yeah, honestly, man, I can't be bothered. I'm not going to be able to find this thing, dude. I'm gonna be honest, but that's actually terrifying, man. That's, hey, I mean, hey, welcome to crypto, right? That's kind of what happens. Obviously, for the person that it happened to, I'm really sorry. One thing you do need to know is that, you know, I strongly believe if you're able to run it up to that much, you could always make it back, and I believe that that person will make it back. What's the one that I was looking at? Excuse me, Baby Toshi. Baby Toshi's a banger. Let me see if I'm able to find it. Where's the right one here? Baby Toshi on base. This is another play that we called. I saved the link of person on Dex tools of that person. Interesting. Hello, everyone. We have grown a lot since we arrived on Uniswap. They grew from 310 followers. Telegram is also growing with over 600 members, and we have plans for the weekend. Oh, Crypto Junkie Princess. Oh, you're basically tracking that person to see what they're selling. That's very smart of you. Jerry is amazing. My initial investment was around 3K, and before the dip happened, it was around 30K. Jerry is the real deal and is still gonna fly past the moon. I totally agree. Let's see over on here. Baby Toshi, durable sites. Shout out to Baby Toshi, man. This is also something we called. Went up to do like a 20x. Honestly, pretty insane, guys. Honestly, pretty freaking insane. These low market cap plays are mental. We honestly might have a low market cap play drop it in the private Discord very, very soon if that is something that you guys want to go ahead and check out. What is the market cap of this bad boy right now? Sitting at 369,000. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Jerry on dips agree. If the thing is now we got rid of many Jeets that they were also selling at every pump for some profits. So now we are ready to skyrocket with 4 listings coming up really soon. Yeah, that's insane. Jerry is building super, super hard behind the scenes. The amount of listings they have coming out, like in a short amount of time, guys, is not normal. That guy is working hard. I've actually spoken to the dev. Solid guy. I think he's going to do amazing things with that project. And if there was anyone that would want steering that project, it is him. He's doing a great job. Ethereum as well today, guys. Not too shabby. Having a little bit of a pump, right? Cheeky little pump in the last 24 hours, up 2.93%. We haven't seen Ethereum over 2,800 yet. I think, what do we run up to? We came close to 2,800, but I think we're starting a rally yet again. Making higher highs and higher lows is the name of the game. Not too bad. If Bitcoin continues to remain, under 110,000 and Ethereum starts to rally, hey, I would not be mad at that, okay? I think that's a great idea. And if we could continue to kind of play off like that, that'll be great. And if you guys are looking for, low market cap plays right now, Baby Toshi isn't too bad. Market cap sitting at 370,000. 50,000 liquidity. Now, mind you guys, this is another play that we called at $6,000 market cap, actually. Which is kind of crazy. $6,000 market cap. Basically about a 50x play to where it is right now. Back to back, they sold 41,000 right after 19,000. Yo, welcome to crypto, man. That is crazy. But yeah, guys, basically we are in the process in the Discord right now, trying to find new bangers. I think we are calling one tomorrow. What are some other plays that you guys have been looking at? I know me personally, obviously, bullish on none other than Turbo Token. Yes, it is down 0.32%. In the last 7 days, down about 4%. In the month, guys, up only 9.5%. Now, the thing is with Turbo, it is lagging a little bit behind, right? A lot of these other projects are kind of taking spotlight away from it, but I told you guys this once, and I'll tell you it again. As Ethereum starts to pump, when Ethereum starts to make new all-time highs, it starts to rally again, you're going to see a lot of money flow into meme coins, and one of those meme coins is going to be a blue chip such as Turbo. SAS Blocks Mayor says, you were the reason I got into JYAI. Following your YouTube channel was skeptical at first, then bought early February, and DCAing invested 12K in it, and I was in profit of about $73,000 at all-time high. Hey, man. That's all you, man. That's all you. I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And that's all you, man. That's all you. Good for you, dude. Good for you. That is amazing, though. Genuinely, I'm very, very happy to hear that. When people come out and say, I made this much and this much from a project, like, it's just amazing to hear that, right? You obviously love to see that. Mary Caban says, I buy Baby Toshi. We bought Baby Toshi too. Now, mind you guys, I am all fully sold out on Baby Toshi. I got in a $6,000 market cap, guys. There's no point in me holding anymore. We ran up to about 500,000. That's more or less like almost 100x return. You know what I mean? So there was no point in me holding it for that long, is what I am trying to say. Doesn't mean it can't go higher. I definitely think it could go a lot higher, but for me, it just doesn't make sense. I always like to say, guys, if there's life-changing profits on the table, make sure you guys take those profits, because or else they're just unrealized gains. The thing is with Turbo, Turbo right now has been sitting in this one little zone, right? This support area that we just can't seem to really get past. And that, honestly, it kind of been stagnant. Mixed Gold calls me rug pull row. Wow, that's kind of catchy. I don't know what I've rug pulled, but hey, very interesting. Isaac Park says, yo, what's going on, Isaac? Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into the live stream today, brother. But yeah, guys, from here, you guys see here, the support area that we're at, back to the next resistance zone is another 17 or 18% gain. Let me know if any of you guys are leverage traders. Do you guys trade on leverage? If so, let me know, because leverage trading is kind of scary, man. I usually don't recommend it. I used to trade leverage back in the Forex days, and not really a fan of it. But if you're looking for, Turbo to get back to previous all-time highs, about 155% gain. Here's the thing, guys, right? Turbo is obviously a very high market cap play. It's sitting in the $368 million market cap range. Now, for this thing to move, there's going to be a lot of money that needs to flow into it in order for it to start moving, right? Now, some of these other plays that you're looking at, obviously, guys, is low market cap. Some of the plays that we look at, low market cap, but also a little bit of money can move it a long way, right? If you do some, tokenomics 101, liquidity is one of the biggest things, right? How liquid is a project? How much money is in the pool that people could buy in and sell and take out of for small market cap plays, right? Like $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 market cap plays. For those, you guys need to understand a $500 or a $1,000 buy is going to significantly impact the price. On the other hand, right, for something like Turbo, a $500 or $1,000 buy isn't going to move the price of Turbo up too much, which is why trading meme coins, guys, like low market cap meme coins, could be profitable. But also, you guys need to understand the tokenomics and how everything works. Token 101. Yo, Ro, did you already talk about what you think the peak is for Turbo? I mean, no, I can say it right now, right? I think 5 cents to 10 cents, it's very reasonable. I've always said this, said it more than once. If things change, I'll be the first person to come out and say it. If I'm wrong, I'll be the first person to admit it. If it goes higher than 10 cents, then hey, so be it. That's amazing. But me personally, guys, from the entry that I had into Turbo, I would probably not look at holding it past 10 cents, because I would just be using it for, I would just be, that would just be greed at that point. Are you going to make more videos on LBay? What market cap do you see going to? I'm actually coming out with one, I believe, tomorrow. A video for that. So yeah, great call on that. Vishal Umeda says, keep up the amazing call, bros. You're a magic genie. No, do not say that, dude. I am not. I just looked at the charts quite a bit, and yeah, and I work with a partner obviously as well. And honestly, guys, all glory to God himself. I cannot do this. I cannot do anything without God. But no magic genies around here, man. Fire sale, facts. How do you even find these projects early? Well, you could kind of go to like their, Pump Fund is one of them. This is where the Solana trenches are. You kind of check, right? Check the team, see how they are on X, check the Telegram. Those are just some of the things that you could do. You could go to Ape Store. This is another one where you could check, what comes in and out. This is on base, right? This is another thing that you guys could look at. Obviously, you need to check the X, check the website, see how they're doing. Toshi looks like it's another one over on here. Look, it's actually deployed by the same guy who deployed Baby Toshi, if I'm not mistaken here. If I am not mistaken. I don't... Oh, the bubble maps. Interesting. SkiMaskDog Toshi. It looks like it's progress to King of Apes, which means it's a trending one over on Ape Store. But yeah, guys, you could obviously play around with it, check out who it is, the dev and everything. I'm pretty sure, pretty confident the dev is the same as the one in the other Toshi, the baby Toshi one. Toshi just scam and pumped, and Rug did it. Is it a little pumpy dumpy scammy whammy over on here? Take a look. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Oh, the Jerry Whale. Remember from the other live? The Jerry Whale. What Jerry Whale? Well, no, SkiMaskDog Toshi looks like it's doing completely fine. Ro, hello from San Antonio, Texas. What do you think about Keyboard Cat? I think it's fine. Remember from the other live, Stayers live. Okay, so yeah, SkiMaskDog Toshi doesn't look too shabby. Doesn't look too shabby at all. A couple buy orders coming in for this project. What's it sitting at right now? Market cap around $40,000, only $9,800 in liquidity. Just be very careful when you're buying into anything, guys. Pick on Moodang or Turbo. Which one is better? Entry now, waiting, Binance listing for Moodang. I think they're both good plays. I really can't pick one over the other, to be honest with you. I think they're both Very decent plays indeed. Mary is Queen Plus. Yeah, this is kind of where you find all these projects, guys. Obviously, Pump Fund is for Solana. Ape.store is kind of the base alternative of that. And obviously, there is a lot more that you could find as well. It is a little bit tricky, guys, when you kind of getting used to it at first. Obviously, there is a learning curve to it, but that's kind of how you also make money, right? You're not going to make money with the projects that are listed on Coinbase. You kind of need to figure out where they're launching. You know, getting into projects sub $10,000, sub $20,000, guys, is what's going to make you guys a lot of money. Is Base on Zeus any good? I actually have not heard of Base on Zeus or Zeus on Base, because one of those, both of those cannot be correct, if I'm being honest with you. Now, here's another base play that honestly should be performing a lot better. Toshi in the last month up 63%. I'm hoping this would be doing a lot better, guys. Let me just see how many people we have in the live right now. 70 viewers. What is going on, guys? If you guys are new, we are giving away $1,500. Excuse me. Very, very simple to enter, right? All you guys have to do is go over here. $1,500 giveaway. We're giving away some Broak and some Jyai to celebrate hitting 15K subs. I partnered with two of my favorite projects. I want to thank all of you for your support. $500 in Broak, $500 in Jyai, and another $500 in Broak, sponsored by the team themselves. Very simple are the rules, guys, okay? Follow me on X, follow Jyai and Broak on Base, and then subscribe to me on YouTube, like and repost. That's all it takes, and you might potentially win $500 or $1,000 or $1,500. Thoughts on Sato and Nitro? I've actually never looked into Sato. Probably never will. Nitro, I think it's a solid play. Jyai has big listings coming. Jyai is going to fly. No, literally facts. Jyai, or sorry, let me see. Hoping Jyai is the one. I mean, guys, Jyai was a call that we did at $20,000 market cap. It certainly feels like it's the one. It's up over 500x. Gas is pumping right now. Did the dev from Jyai say there wasn't a new listing after it hit $7 million market cap? Don't necessarily know. But yeah, guys, if you want to make 1,500 or you want to enter that giveaway, make sure you guys go ahead, check that out. I'm feeling like super sleepy right now. I don't know why. I swear I get a lot of sleep as well, which is weird. But yeah, Toshi is a play, guys, that honestly we need some more out of, right? It hasn't been pumping too much. Looks like some of these bigger market cap plays, the Turbo, the Toshi, let's even check, like stuff like Pepe have not been doing too well recently. They're kind of been a little bit lackluster, right? For lack of better words, guys, they haven't been pumping as hard as some of these low market cap plays have been pumping, which is what I like to say, right? There are some blue chip meme coins, in my opinion. Some of those blue chip meme coins, I think our Toshi is Turbo, but also they move a lot slower. Whereas, you know, some of these low market cap plays that you could get in and out of, such as Baby Toshi, such as Jyai, such as Broak, you know, you make those profits and then you roll them into other projects, guys. Obviously, there is a lot that you could do with that. Which coin has the potential to quickly yield 10K and how much would I need to invest? Okay, dude, there is nothing like that. I don't like questions like that. Very silly. Stormtrooper for real. They're trying to scare you out of Jyai. It's going to new highs. Absolutely. Didn't say name in case person doesn't want it out there, but I just saw on another live. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Understood. BB Toshi got some massive red candles today. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people taking profits, which, hey, I don't blame them. Baby Toshi was something we were talking about at like $10,000 market cap. Guys, if you ride up a play from 10K, you're at 100K. It's a 10X. Take some profits. 200K. It's a 20X, guys. Please take some profits. You never want to full clip it. You never want to just, you know, wait until it gets to 1 million and then be like, yay, 1,000X and then just sell it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Or I guess 100x. Take profits along the way, guys, because if you do decide to literally, you know, take all those profits at 10K, you're literally going to destroy the chart, first of all. So I would never recommend anyone do that because, hey, you know, you don't want to mess it up for everyone else. So take profits gradually on the way to the top. Do you have a private community where you post your calls? I would have loved to get in Jyai at 20K market cap. Yeah, I do, man. It's a link in the description. It's called the Meme Coin Mastery. And also Jerry, the thing is with Jerry, we also called it over on YouTube as well. Like, yeah, a lot of people in my Discord get, you know, they get the play first because, you know, it's just easy to send out text. But I also covered Jerry very early over on my YouTube. But yeah, guys, I mean, a lot of people in this, we've been having a lot of people join recently. I'm actually going to show you guys the Discord right now. Some people who have been eating off of this. Let's see if I could find some. Oh, here's one of them. Okay, so appreciate the call, and your boy just hit 20K in profit this month after baby Toshi and broke calls by you two crypto savants. FYI, 20K is about the average yearly salary in Estonia, which I don't know about you guys, but that sounds pretty crazy to me, right? If you guys are obviously looking at, you know, being a part of a group, I don't recommend that, or I don't suggest that, you know, you guys have to join my community, but obviously, guys, please be a part of a community because that is one of the only ways that you're going to make it in this crypto space. Caspa, again, man, blue chip plays, utility plays for me at this point in time are honestly just like grandfathers, dude. They do not move around too much. Caspa is like, it's not a bad play. It's just like we need those quick hits right now, man. We need those quick hits of dopamine. And watching meme coins, I'm telling you guys, are quick hits of dopamine. I'll tell you guys that much. Like watching some of these plays is very very it's an adrenaline rush, right? Not saying, guys, we're like some crypto junkies or something. I know we have a crypto junkie princess in here, but I feel like, you know, throwing $10,000 into Caspa, seeing how slowly they go up, it's not for me anymore. If you were to ask me in the beginning of this bull run, sure, I would have been like, yeah, you know, you need some utility hedges, blah blah blah. My only hedge against my portfolio, guys, is Ethereum. I hold a big fat bag of Ethereum, probably my biggest holding, but a lot of my other plays are in meme coins. Do you think Jerry can go into multi-billions? I really think he can because of how driven the team is. Yo, honestly, if you were to ask me this like 2 months ago, I would have told you no. But at this point in time, I think Jerry could do anything, man. Those guys have been crushing it. The only thing that gets me, you know, multi-billions, even Turbo isn't at multi-billions yet. And Turbo by far, I think, has a stronger community and obviously has like literally every single exchange listing that you could think of, right? I'm going to join the community, bro. I want to master meme coins. I've been into utility and doing good. Hey, man, you're like me. You sound exactly like me. I've literally been doing the same thing. I was into utility a lot, but you know, these meme coins have been printing for people. So I'm like, yo, I want a piece of the pie. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But I need those slick meme gains. Exactly. The best part is roll those gains from meme coins into some of those utility plays, into some of those risk averse plays, into some of those blue chip plays. That's how you make money in this crypto space. What about Nitro? I think it's a hidden gem. I don't think Nitro's hidden anymore. Nitro is it's not a hidden gem. It is a gem indeed, though. It's been doing super well, honestly. I think it rallied up to about 7.3 million, kind of sitting at $4.7 million market cap right now. Another very solid play. Volume up 25% at 340,000. Wow, that's crazy. Jerry on the mission to hit 1 billion. Yeah, wouldn't put it past them, man. I think those guys are killing it. Bay Bear says, I want a piece of the pie. What kind of pie do you want? I don't know why. That's Bay Bear. Bay Bear. the way that sounds is just funny. Look at the volume that Broak on base is doing. $510,000 is ridiculous, honestly. We kind of want to take a look closer at Broak here. 100%, that's my plan. Was trying to maximize pump with memes and then use those gains to roll into other projects. Hey man, you got it down. That's the way to go about it. A lot of buy orders coming in for this project as well. You can see here some cheeky buy orders coming in. But on that note, guys, is there any projects that you guys would like me to take a look at? Obviously, some of these projects that have been doing well. A lot of Matt Fury comic book characters have been doing really well. I think Gas Pass got listed on here recently as well, sitting at 2.92 million, which is good. This is another project that we called. I believe at $1.8 million market cap. We also called a cheeky sell at 3.8. We made a quick 2x on this project, which is not too shabby at all. Gas is hitting right now. Gas is another project that I think is going to continue to perform. The Math Fury narrative, honestly, is top tier. The Math Fury comic book characters, man, there's something about these projects that for some reason they just continue to do really well. Jerry and Turbo Pie, Turbo Pie. Hey bro, how's it going? Love the channel. What's your thoughts on WTF? What the flip? I don't know. All these new Math Fury memes are oversaturating the space, especially the new Cortex Vortex book with Gas Pass, Rato, Bucci. Oh, trust me about it. There's so much that's coming up. But honestly, we're not here for like, we're holding for 5 years, guys. We're here to make money in these crypto markets and then get out, right? That's how I look at it. I'd love for you to check out and review XOR. Sure, dude, I'll take a look at XOR. There's a bunch of XORs over on here, so I don't know which one. What do you think about Rato the Rat? That's probably another. I think I've covered this guy, right? Rato, did I talk about this? Wow, sitting at $6.4 million market cap. Oh, wait a second. This is down quite a bit. On the other hand, okay, no, this looks dead. This looks terrible. Yeah, no, I would stay far away from this. This does not look decent. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Are you still bullish on Gas Pass? Do you plan to make more videos on it? Honestly, I do not plan to make more videos on it. Already sold it, got out of it. I mean, this project doesn't look too bad. It hasn't recovered quite as much as I would like for it to. I mean, the distribution, the bubble maps is solid on this. Does look like a good team, just hasn't gotten the traction, I reckon. Jerry team allocate 50 ETH into liquidity today as a safeguard to protect the project from what happened today last night. Not one project is doing what JYI is doing. Now, absolutely a dedicated team. I agree. The Jerry team is one of the best. Big J says, I just found your videos and I love them. Broak and Croak are my favorites for this bull run. It's two very solid plays. It's funny how Broak released after Croak, but Broak has overtook it in market cap. I think that is hilarious. Now, Croak, obviously another very solid play. Croak actually isn't even listed on CoinMarketCap. I think it's because it's it's on Caspa, so it's a little bit more tedious for a lot of people to go ahead and buy. $600,000 market cap at the moment. What was the all-time high for this thing? It was around $2.5 million, and that was it rallied all the way up to that within the first 20 days of it coming out. Now, on that note, guys, I do really want to emphasize, listen, right now, one of the best things that you could do is be a part of a community, whether that's my community. You guys don't have to join mine. Literally any community, go join and be a part of a community that could hold you accountable and kind of hold your hand through this crypto journey, because trust me, I've been in the market since 2017. I've learned a couple of things, and I'm here to kind of relay that information over to you guys. Now, I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes I did. Not saying that I'm a crypto wizard or, like a crypto czar. I'm really not, guys, okay? I just put some time into these markets. I've built a strong community, and, I work with somebody else as well. So we're just crushing in these markets, and I would love to have you guys be a part of it. Some of the students on there are crushing as well. We had someone who made 8K. We had someone who made 20K. We have people in there making thousands of dollars every single day. Obviously, past profits never guarantee future results. But I think I've showed you guys, a bunch of people who have made money over on there. And hey, listen, at the end of the day, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for the love and the support. I am going to be tuning off, but before I do that, I actually do want to say, again, if you guys do want a chance to win $1,500, make sure you guys go check out the my profile, my X account, sorry. Doing a giveaway over on there. Rules are very, very simple and very self-explanatory. But on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into the live stream.